Hello, friends. Welcome to Kalsi Estate. My name is Kalsi. I'm a father of a wonderful son, husband of a caring woman. I'm into industry from last 25 years, and I take my job as serving rather than selling. And I love giving plenty of free advice in real estate. तो आज का टॉपिक है दोस्तों वायु बाय कोलते पाटिल at IC Colony in Daisar West. So let's begin with the show. सो दोस्तों वायु जो है ये कोलते पाटिल का प्रोजेक्ट है और ये दैसर वेस्ट में है आईसी कॉलोनी में। और इसका लोकेशन जो है प्रोजेक्ट का वो बहुत ही बढ़िया लोकेशन है और स्पेशली आईसी कॉलोनी है तो आईसी कॉलोनी का जेंट्री आप देखोगे वहाँ पर जेंट्री भी बहुत अच्छा है, सराउंडिंग अच्छा है और स्पेशली ये प्लॉट का आप लोकेशन देखोगे तो लोकेशन भी बहुत बढ़िया लोकेशन है। और आफ्टर ऑल द डेवलपर इज कोलते पाटिल। सो कोलते पाटिल इज अ ब्रांडेड डेवलपर। पूना ने उन्होंने काफ़ी बिल्डिंगें बनाई है और उन्होंने अभी मुंबई में और बेंगलोर में उनका जो बिजनेस है वो एक्सपैंड किया है और ऑल ओवर इंडिया में धीरे धीरे एक्सपैंड कर रहे हैं। तो कोलते पाटिल इज अ ब्रांडेड डेवलपर। तो आज जो प्रोजेक्ट की हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं वो है वायु। सो वायु इज एट आईसी कॉलोनी इन मुंबई दैसर वेस्ट। सो वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग, वायु प्रोजेक्ट जो है it is located at IC Colony, which is very densely populated area. Densely मतलब उतना भीड़ भाड़ भी नहीं है जहाँ पर आप चल भी नहीं सको। Densely का मतलब ये हो गया कि इकोसिस्टम्स आर वेरी वेरी क्लोज बाय टू दिस एरिया। आपको रहने में यहाँ पर मजा आएगा। और सेकेंडली जेंट्री जो है आईसी कॉलोनी की जो जेंट्री है वो काफ़ी अच्छी जेंट्री है। और जैसे एक तरह के मैं अगर आईसी कॉलोनी की अगर बात करूँ तो आईसी कॉलोनी को मैं सेकंड बैंड्रा बोलना चाहूँगा बिकॉज मैं जब भी आईसी कॉलोनी गया हूँ तो वहाँ पर मुझे उस तरह की फीलिंग आई है कि एज आई एम स्टेइंग इन बैंड्रा। तो आईसी कॉलोनी इज बैंड्रा इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेस ऑफ मुंबई एंड दैट फीलिंग यू गेट व्हेन यू गो टू द आईसी कॉलोनी। तो यहाँ पर आप इमेज में आप देखोगे जैसे जो टॉल टावर है, अगर आप टावर के हाई राइज में कोई भी फ्लैट अगर आप लेते हो तो देयर इज एन ओपन व्यू फ्रॉम दिस कॉम्प्लेक्स। जैसे हम लोग एलिवेशन में भी आगे देखेंगे तो आपको वो समझ में आएगा। तो देयर इज एम्पल ऑफ ओपन व्यू, देयर इज नो ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन फ्रॉम द टावर एंड द प्रोजेक्ट इज वेरी राइटली लोकेटेड इन सेंटर ऑफ आईसी कॉलोनी. So here in this complex we have combination of 1 and 2 BHK flats, but 1 BHK is all sold out. So there are 3 towers, which one tower is only having 2 BHK flats. So right now we have only 2 BHK flats in this complex. So let's see further. So this is how the elevation of the building is. और यहाँ पर आप देखोगे ये जो टावर है दिस इज टावर ए टावर विच इज 32 स्टोरी टावर एंड दिस इज बी एंड सी टावर विच इज हैविंग कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 1 and 2 BHK and this tower is having only 2 BHK flats of 2 variants. 2 BHK is there, so only 2 BHK flats are there and there is 1 basement level and 2 level of podium parking and few amenities are given on the ground floor and few amenities are given on the podium level. But these buildings are all sold out and only 2 BHKs are available in this flat. और इसका बुकिंग भी अभी खोला है तो you will get flat in these buildings, in this building A tower and this is 32 story tower. So after all, Kolte Patil, you can imagine the construction quality. You can see the elevation of the building and the paint color from the outside. Even the interior of the flats are well designed, and whatever the construction quality, whatever the promises the developer promised to give in the flat, everything is delivered and it is given in time. So as you can see over here, ये सारा जो area है, this is IC Colony और आसपास के surrounding areas में आप देखोगे तो इट इज़ ऑल डेवलप्ड एरिया। मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि रिमोट एरिया में कहाँ पर जाकर बिल्डिंग बना रहे, इट इज़ ऑल डेवलप्ड एरिया। सो एवरीथिंग इज क्लोज बाय फ्रॉम दिस एरिया। यहाँ पर आके रहने से आपको ऐसा नहीं कि आपको कुछ डेवलपमेंट के लिए आपको वेट करना है, कोई बस सर्विस के लिए, कोई ऑटो सर्विस के लिए, कोई सब्जी मंडी मार्केट के लिए या किसी कोई मॉल में या कोई स्कूल, कॉलेज, हॉस्पिटल्स, डॉक्टर्स वगैरह। तो यहाँ पर सारे इस 2 किलोमीटर, 1 किलोमीटर, आधे किलोमीटर रेडियस के अंदर एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल इन दिस एरिया। This is again the image of the IC Colony. So you can see very beautiful image you can see of the IC Colony and this whole area. After this there is a Mira Bhayandar Creek, you can say. There is a creek over here. So seaside is there behind over here. And this is how the colony, IC colony looks. So biggest advantage from this project is that it is close to Western Express Highway, and Sanjay Gandhi National Park is also close from here, and you can travel to Thana, New Link Road, to Western Suburb, and all the commercial centers which are connected to this area. You can travel easily from here. Then there's a proposed coastal road projects which will be connecting from say Marine Drive to Bandra and then to Kandivali. And from Kandivali, when you come to IC Colony, it is hardly 6 kilometers when the coastal roads get connected. So there is a bus corridor also, dedicated bus corridor is coming up, which will be coming from the BKC. It will be coming directly to Dahisar IC Colony. Hardly 1 or 2 stops will be there in between. So it's a dedicated bus corridor will be there, which will be directly to this, coming to this IC Colony. Then there is Mumbai Metro Phase 3, which is already work is going on, and there's Dahisar and Charkop and Bandra and Mankur. These are under progress. So Mumbai Metro Phase 3 is already, construction is going on for this project, which will be connecting to IC Colony. And there is a mono rail also, which will be connecting from Thane to Dahisar. वेस्टर्न रेलवे तो एक लाइन तो ऑलरेडी चल रहा है बहुत काफ़ी सालों से, पर उसके साथ साथ मेट्रो लाइन भी कनेक्ट होगा और एक मोनो रेल भी कनेक्ट होगा, विच विल बी कनेक्टिंग फ्रॉम दहिसर टू थाने. So traveling from IC Colony to Thane will be easier once this monorail is connected. Now this is the layout of the area. So you can see IC Colony is located over here. This is here. This is basically our project is over here. Vayu is over here. So this whole area is IC Colony. So when you see from here, the Vibgor High School, Hospital, then Pearl Hospital, then there is Choice Supermarket, LIC of India, and Bank of India, Shagun Restaurant. These are all close by from the project. Project is exactly center of the IC Colony. And even Dahisar station, Dahisar railway station is very close by from here. Metro line will be coming somewhere over this side. This is New Link Road. So metro line will be coming somewhere over this side. And this is railway station over here. So once you cross the railway station, then this is Western Express Highway, and this is SV Road, which is going parallel to Dahisar station. And people who are traveling from IC Colony to Western Express Highway to the commercial hubs, so they can easily travel by the flyover. They can come over here and they can travel from here, and either they can travel from train also. So you see Reliance Mall is 3.8 kilometer, Thakur Mall is 3.6 kilometer, DMart is 1.3 kilometer, Infinity Mall is 8.4 kilometer. Then in business districts, Mindspace Business Park is 8.8 kilometer, Nirol Knowledge Park is 16 kilometer, Health Wellness Health Center, which is 3.4 kilometer, and Hospital is 650 meters, hardly half a kilometer. The Lotus Hospital is 1.7 kilometer. Then education-wise, JPCN International School is 350 meters. Vibgor High School is 500 meters. Mary Immaculate School is 0.2 kilometer. International Airport is like Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, is 19 kilometer. And railway station, which is Dahisar railway station, is 1.6 kilometer. Borivali West railway station is 2.6 kilometer. And Kandivali railway station is 5.3 kilometers. पर बहुत लोग जब IC कॉलोनी आते हैं तो ये प्रोजेक्ट्स में आने के लिए आपको बोरीवली उतरना ठीक रहता है, क्योंकि बोरीवली तक जो है वो ट्रेन खाली हो जाती है. उसके बाद जब आप विरार की ट्रेन पकड़ते हो तो दहिसर पे उतरना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता है. इसके लिए बोरीवली चर्चगेट टू बोरीवली जो ट्रेन चलती है, तो बोरीवली में ट्रेन पूरी खाली हो जाती है, तो वहां से उतरकर IC कॉलोनी ट्रैवल करना इजी रहता है. This is the layout of the plot. When you see over here, these are the two buildings. Now this building is A building, which is having 4 flats on each floor. And this is A tower, which is 32-story tower. and C and B is all sold out. So this is the layout of the plot. You can see how the plot is, and all the necessary amenities are given over here, below over here. So this land parcel is 1.25 acre land parcel. So this is also amenities, few amenities developer has given over here. So there is O2 Park, there's Miyawaki Forest and jogging track. So all these amenities developer is providing in the complex. Then in podium amenities, you have separate children play area, you have senior folk zone, reflexology area, decorative compound wall garden area, and outdoor games. So all these amenities what you see in these pictures are there. And here you have a fully equipped gym with indoor games. So in indoor games, you have a library also, you have a reading area also, yoga zone, meeting room, and kids play area. This is again the elevation of the building. Evening time when you see, night time when you see, the tower looks more elegant, more glamorous, and more decent. The decent color has been given in the building also, outside color. So it's a very sober color what developer has provided in the complex. So this is the view from the 15th floor, you can say. From 14th to 15th floor, you will be getting this type of view. So already there are 2 levels of podium parking is there. And when you buy a flat or even on 12th floor, so you will get this type of open view from one side of the building. Then this is the lobby entrance. A very well designed 30 feet double heighted lobby entrance has been given, and a magnificent design entrance lobby with either with granite, with marble or marbonite tiles finish will be there. And of course, the reception area is also provided in the lobby. This is the image of the sample flats. So you can see how the well-designed sample flats has been given in this complex. And similar type of flats will be designed. Of course, the interior you have to do on your own, but after once you do the interior, so flat will look something this way. And this is the comfort of a 5-star comfort what developer is giving you. And it's luxury living basically, and you can relax with your family and with your friends in 5-star comfort with these type of flats. So biggest plus point here is that you are getting a very beautifully colored paint walls. Beautiful tiles are given below over here. And there's a French cut windows, wall to wall and windows are given. So there is a bright light is there, natural light is there, and even ventilation is good in this flat. And in one bedroom they are giving wooden flooring is there. In washroom, anti-skid tiles are there and all branded quality sanitary wares and fittings are there. So in kitchen also two side platforms are there, and there's a dry balcony over there. So all this is provided by Kolte Patil, and the project name is Vayu at IC Colony. Then these are also few amenities which are all branded amenities in living room, in bedroom, kitchen and bathroom. So all luxury and branded quality fittings developer is providing in this complex Vayu. Now coming to the floor plan, this is the unit floor plan of the building where you have A wing, you have 4 flats are there on every floor. तो ये 4 फ्लैट में क्या साइजेस है अभी हम लोग देखते हैं आगे. तो एक यूनिट का अगर हम लोग प्लान अगर देखते हैं तो ये 2 BHK जो है 676 सेलेबल एरिया है. सेलेबल एरिया में आप देखोगे ये 676 में यहाँ पर एल शेप हॉल दिया हुआ है. ये लिविंग स्पेस है, डाइनिंग स्पेस है, किचन, बेडरूम, this is common washroom, and this is second bedroom which is attached. So very well planned and very well designed in 676 2 BHK. And this is 679 2 BHK, again the mirror image of this but slightly bigger. So again you have a L-shaped hall, kitchen, bedroom, and one common washroom, and this is attached. So all the rooms are rectangle. This bedroom is square, these are rectangles, and mainly the hall is L-shaped hall. So you have provision for the dining space. Now these are a few projects. Kolte Patil is already ongoing projects are there, which are major projects are there in 8 to 9 projects are there in Pune, and some of the ongoing projects Verve, and there is Ivara and Jai Vijay. This is all in Samari at Goregaon, Borivali, and Vileparle. Then the upcoming projects, these are upcoming projects which will be coming at Bangalore. So Kolte Patil is a very branded developer, and what they promised, they delivered that, and they have many projects in Mumbai, Pune, and Bangalore. So one thing I can assure you here in this project, in Kolte Patil's project, is that it's timely delivery is there of the project. और दूसरी बात है, you will get after sales service. जब भी बिल्डिंग कंप्लीट होती है आपको चाबी दिया जाता है, और सोसाइटी फॉर्म होने तक डेवलपर सर्विस जो देता है, दैट यू विल गेट आफ्टर सेल सर्विस ऑल्सो इन दिस प्रोजेक्ट. So you can blindly go for these type of projects for booking. So friends, finally we are on the price. So price is for 2 BHK is basically the first we'll see the carpet area. So the carpet area for 2 BHK is 675 to 685 carpet area. Depends on what side you buy a flat. So they have different sizes starting from 675 carpet to 685 carpet. And price starts from 1.62 CR onwards. Now, beside this price, you have floor rise, you have stamp duty, registration, GST, and society development charges. So all the other charges are separate on these charges. And possession date is on December 2025 for all the 3 towers, A, B, and C. Now, this is RERA possession date. 100% developer will give possession 1 year before this. So that will be December 2024. For booking, you can contact me on my number 7400138561. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching this show. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to this channel, because sharing is caring. And see you again with one more project, one more developer very soon. Thank you for watching this show. Bye bye. See you. Take care.